Here is the Woojer Vest 3. So Woojer Vest 3. Um, it's gonna feel your make you feel your games, music, and movies. I'm gonna show you a quick unboxing and just show you what is included when you get this awesomeness of a game where you can feel your game and the movies and music. So very curious about this experience. I'm going to share with you the awesomeness of this equipment for gamers and just the non-gamers alike. You might want to try this and see or experience. So the packaging alone will actually make you feel excited. Um, it's probably gonna differ in every person, but the packaging is like you're opening this new iPhone. It's just the packaging right now is they make it so as if it's packed so well that you get excited opening it. Um, I got the black color, and here's the box. And here's when you open that box. I bought this from Target. They should be sold in Best Buy as well or any Walmart, but this is a Target purchase. I'm Here's that box. So you can open it on the sides. Just make sure that I mean, we as a gamer or whoever, a non-gamer, I usually like to preserve the box, and so I'm opening it very carefully. But here's what's included. So as soon as you open the box, you will see that page that lets you register, your item, so you can get help. And on that box, there's a quick setup as well. And here's the vest. So this is the Woojer Vest 3. So the materials used, you can feel like it's well made. I'm feeling the all the parts of it. I'm trying to um, showing you where and how it is that you're feeling the game. You have all these parts that will be attached that will make you feel within your body when you wear the vest. The vibrations of music and games and movies. So if you're a little curious, here is what's included. You'll get a little box. Pretty sure the box that I just showed you, that's gonna be the wires that's included. But you are gonna unlock that vest, and you have adjustments. And this is the power on button with a volume. So I did try to turn it on as I unboxed it, and this is partially charged, it looks like, or fully charged. So you can turn it on right away just as a try, but just keep an eye because you want to make sure that you are purchasing non-defective item. So nothing else is there except the vest, the the Woojer vest, and then um, just make sure that nothing is loose, so when you start installing the app you are able to use it right away. And I left that on just to see, to make sure. And then here is the accessory that came with it. So as I've said, this is the wire. I will have to explore this one by one after this, but there's a USB there, connector, charger, it looks like it. And also for plugging it to your socket. So you have, that's all you need. It's pricey right now, but of course, this is a different kind of gaming experience, so you would have to pay more. But that's it for the unboxing. I turned it off just to preserve the power when I start downloading the app, because I know for sure it's gonna use up some of the power, and then I'm gonna try the rest of the steps.